Buenos dias! We are looking at how to pronounce with the typical Spanish pronunciation the name of this port city located in southern Spain's Costa del Sol, understand the coast of the sun. It is known for its high-rise hotels and resorts, jutting up from yellow sand beaches. How do you go about pronouncing it? In Spanish, in Spain, it is pronounced as Malaga. You do want to stress on the first A on the ma syllable because there is an accent on it. That's what it means, Malaga. Malaga, Spain. Here are more videos on how to pronounce the names of more Spanish cities and Spanish regions whose pronunciations aren't exactly always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more.